Bullish Dogelon Mars cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept elon could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair all-inclusive cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a cryptographic money, yet additionally a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Incidentally, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital money has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital currency guide will uncover all that you want to be familiar with Dogelon Mars and its elements. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based biological system used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading merchandise, making installments, and compensating benefactors. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its central goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens with regards to utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets, however that is valid for pretty much every advanced cash. Notwithstanding, the Dogelon Mars designers have done a couple of interesting things. 1. Elon Group didn't do a presale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair money. 2. The undertaking's underlying inventory was 1 quadrillion elon tokens. 3. The designers reproduced Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the elon tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause committed to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel elon's drawn-out incentive for basically a year. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital money is known as elon, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called elon, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Holonix offers the elon USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a gigantic return. The organization then rose to the 150th situation concerning market capitalization. There was no token presale in light of the fact that it is a fair general digital currency. In the wake of sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as elon and ETH matches, which will remain until the end of time. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just accumulate over the long haul. The Dogelon Mars Group showed that they wouldn't commit a floor covering pull, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual money, pull back however much they can, and dump the venture by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars pioneers cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the undertaking. Maybe that is the motivation behind why Dogelon Mars presents itself as an undertaking pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital currency tricksters. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is at present worth $0. elon has moved 4.74% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,564,178. Dogelon Mars is right now positioned 156 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $139,334,815 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2022. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The elon cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progression. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ELON's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market unpredictability. ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Dogelon Mars effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2025. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help ELON needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Dogelon Mars will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most